In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing Microsoft Forms answers in Power Automate. We'll start by repairing the Get Response Details action, and then walk through a fallback method using a custom form ID if your form is missing from the dropdown. First, open Microsoft Forms in your browser by going to forms.office.com. Once it loads, click the form you created. In this example, the form is called Missing Answers Demo. Confirm that the form has the Request Type Choice question and the What do you need help with text question, because these are the answers we want to pull through correctly. Now open a new browser tab and go to make.powerautomate.com to open Power Automate. In the left sidebar, click Create. From the Start from Blank area, click Automated Cloud Flow. Click the Flow Name field at the top of the dialog. For the name, type Form's Missing Answers check, taking care to enter it exactly so the flow is easy to find later. Next, click the Trigger search box just below the name field. In that box, type forms so the available triggers begin to filter. From the filtered list, select when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms. Once highlighted, confirm your selection of when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms, and then click Create at the bottom of the dialog to build the flow. When the Flow Editor opens, click the Form I drop-down inside the trigger card. From the list, select the form you set up, which in this example is Missing Answers Demo. Now we'll add the action that retrieves the full response. Click the plus button directly under the trigger card. From the menu that appears, click Add an Action. Click the Action search box at the top of the action picker. In that search box, type forms to filter the connectors. From the results, select Get Response Details from Microsoft Forms. Inside the new Get Response Details card, click the Form ID drop-down. Choose the same form you used in the trigger, which again is Missing Answers Demo. Next, click the Response ID field just below it. If the Dynamic Content panel is not already showing on the side, click Dynamic Content to open it. From the Dynamic Content options, select Response ID listed under When a New Response is Submitted. This wires the response identifier from the trigger directly into the Get Response Details action. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's look at the fallback option, which is using a custom form ID. You'll only need this fix if your form is missing from the Form ID dropdown, or if duplicate form names make the dropdown confusing to pick from. Go back to the Microsoft Forms tab in your browser. Click into the browser address bar at the top of the window so the full URL is visible. Carefully copy the long form ID value that appears after ID equals or after form ID equals in the URL. This long string is what Power Automate needs to identify the exact form. Switch back to the Power Automate tab where your flow is open. Inside the trigger card, click the Form ID dropdown again. From the bottom of the dropdown, click Enter Custom Value. Paste the form ID you just copied into the field so the trigger points to the correct form by its unique identifier. Now scroll down to the Get Response Details card. Click the Form ID dropdown there as well. Click Enter Custom Value just like before. Paste the same copied form ID into this field so both actions reference the exact same form. With this in place, Power Automate now uses the Microsoft Forms Response ID to fetch the full answer set. And if the form was missing from the dropdown, the custom form ID points both forms actions at the same form, which is what restores those missing answers in your flow. Congratulations! You successfully fixed the missing Microsoft Forms answers issue inside Power Automate, and your flow is now wired up to pull every response detail correctly each time someone submits the form.